Well, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Today we're going to read a story. Do you remember last week's story? It was The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Today, our story is entitled Good Night, Construction Site. Let's start. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might. Listen to them crunch, vroom, beep until it's time to go to sleep. Mm. Crunch, vroom, beep. Working hard to help his team, crane truck races one last beam. Mm. As he swings the beam around, crane truck makes a tired sound. Tired. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then, with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, sleeping, snoring. Shh, good night. Cement mixer whirls all day at his churning, spinning play. But all the fun that's kept him busy has made him tired and so dizzy. Sleepy. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and then he dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Dump truck moves the dirt around, back up and pours it on the ground. One final load spills on the heap. Now the dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He dims his light, then he shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snore. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to sort the grade. No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as he can be. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavate shapes the land. He lets one last great big yawn and rolls to sleep until it's done. Hmm. He rests his scoop and stops his treads and snuggle in. It's time for bed. Now everyone is tucked in the light. Great work today now. Shh. Good. Good night, construction site. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Bye.